Hey guys!
Hi!
Welcome back to the channel. It's Delaney.
I'm Chip.
And today we're going to be doing a fire versus ice look.
My brows are prepped, but something's gonna happen. Don't worry.
Who's ice? Who knows? Chip's going to be doing fire and I'm going to be doing ice. She just wanted to get her brows prepped before we get on camera. I'm going to do my brows on camera because I'm still doing like a natural brow and I'm just going to use colored pomade, so it's a little bit easier for me. I just wanted to do something that was a little bit more creative, a little bit more out of the box. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into my brows. I'm going to be using 2 gel liners from Distinction Cosmetics. I mixed Bluefish and White Noise, so I made like this baby blue for my brows.
Okay, so for this look, I want to really focus on yellow, oranges, and reds. So with that in mind, I want to first do an ombre look on my eyebrows. So I did a white base using the Drug Lord from Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick. And we're gonna go in first with the Jawbreaker palette, and I'm diving into Wow, and then we'll blend that into Suck, and then blend that into Licorice. Thank you. Yeah, for this look, I pulled out so many palettes, so we'll see how many palettes I'll be dipping into. In my head, I was like, is this gonna hopefully look okay? But I didn't actually think of the application time. This is looking a lot lighter on camera than it is in person. Definitely a little darker in person, but literally just tapping over the lipstick. It's still tacky, so it's still grabbing onto it. All right, brows done to satisfaction, but I'm ready to move on. Because this is gonna be like super pigmented type of look, we're gonna go into the Viseart, or just gonna apply some Drug Lord onto the eyelid as a base.
And then to apply all of that, I was just using a Sephora angle brush. This is the number 22. Prime the eyes. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Original.
Going in with the Viseart palette, and I'm diving into the red shade in this palette, and we're just going to put this all over our eye. I've had this palette for years, like years, and it still works.
Okay, for my look, since it's going to be eyes, of course.
What palette?
Blue blood it is.
All right, red down. Next color, orange. And we're just using the orange to blend out the red. My gosh, my brows, Lord.
We're gonna be using a highlight real quick underneath the brow before we jump in. This is the DEVINAH, and this is in the shade Rapture. It's like a stark white in the pan, but it has a really nice light, like duochrome blue shift. Probably gonna jump in the eye look using Morphe M412, and we're gonna jump into I'm Cold in the crease.
Okay, and then we're gonna take the yellow in here and buff out that orange. As far as like the eye look, I'm loving it, but the eyebrows, I'm like...
Okay, I'm gonna take the Sephora Pro 14 and Ice Tray and apply that into the inner corner of the eye. Then we're gonna take Ocean Ice, which is like that crumbly ass metallic in blue blood. And we're gonna attempt to apply that onto the center of the lid. Okay, we're gonna deepen up the outer corners. Same brush with Undertaker, which is the navy black blue. Gonna stipple that into the outer corner here and blend it into this wing that we're creating.
So I'm thinking this is my dominant, I don't know why I just slapped myself, but this is my dominant side, so we're just going to create it on this side. Okay, so I pulled my Makeup Forever Artist Acryl Lip. This is a lip paint. I'm gonna use this on my face, trying to create some flames.
And then we're gonna take like the faintest amount of blue blood on the bottom lash line, and we're gonna be going in firstly with the Morphe M169. I'm gonna blend it out with I'm Cold again, and this is gonna be the Morphe E18. I'm gonna take the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner since we are done diddles with blue blood. This is in DTLA.
I'm going to use same brand, but this is a red, and we're just gonna add some red to the bottom of all these flames just to give that like burning in hell type of.
And then we're just lightly covering the bottom lashes with a liquid lip from Baby Bat Beauty. This is in the shade Purity. We'll also be applying this to the actual lips. Okay, we're going to be using some more lashes from TATTI lashes. This is in the TL8. They are like kind of bunched, so it's still a full lash, like don't get me wrong, but like some parts are denser than others. Y'all let us know down in the comments if you want us to do some other kind of versus look, because this is
fun.
I want to see Chip paint more shit on her face. I need it in my life.
So my lips! Oh my god, I
know
love
you've
it.
been busy over there.
It's almost done. I just need to add highlight. And of course, I'm gonna go in with Fenty.
Trophy.
See, for this one, we'll go crazy. Done.
Okay guys, this is the final look. Do you think we have a theme going on? We're gonna do some close-ups for you guys of this Fire and Ice tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. If you, again, want to see us do any other kind of looks that are complimentary such as this, please put it down in the comments, hit us up on Instagram, like DM us, you know.
It's my best side.
Oh my god. I promise Chip will burn up your DMs or your comments and I won't ice you out. So we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!